Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss important formulas in trigonometry up to transformations. Okay. So here first question formula is A and B are two real numbers. Then formula number 1 is sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And second formula sin of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Third formula cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Fourth formula cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. And the fifth formula tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Sixth formula tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. And seventh formula cot of A plus B is equal to cot A plus cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. And eighth formula cot of A minus B is equal to cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Cot of A minus B formula. And next second set model formulas sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to formula is sin square A minus sin square B, that is equal to cos square B minus cos square A. And second set formula, second one, cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B is equal to cos square B minus sin square A. And third formula number 1, sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A is equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. And cos 2A formula is cos square A minus sin square A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. And tan 2A formula is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. And next sin 3A formula 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. And cos 3A formula is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. And tan 3A formula 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Here we are taking submultiple formulas. So submultiple first formula number 1 is sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2 is equal to 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. And cos A formula is cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2 is equal to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2 is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. And tan A formula is 1 minus tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Next model formula f of x is equal to a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Here extreme values of f of x. So minimum value of f of x formula is c minus root over a square plus b square. And the maximum value of formula f of x is c plus root over a square plus b square. In exam, he may ask find the range of this function sometimes. So in that condition, we can take range is equal to minimum value of f of x and maximum value of f of x. We can write that like this. Okay. Next, here we have another set of formulas. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to 2 sin A cos B. And sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is equal to 2 cos A sin B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. And fourth formula cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. Next formula sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. And sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. And cos C plus cos D formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. And cos C minus cos D formula is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Here in general we can go for consequences of these formulas are 2 sin square A we can observe in general. In that place we can write it as 1 minus cos 2A, or if 2 sin square A by 2 if it appears, we can write in general 1 minus cos A. So at the same time similarly 2 cos square A if it appears, or if it observe in that, we can write it as 1 plus cos 2A, or if it is there in 2 cos square A by 2, we can go and we can write it as 1 plus cos A. Okay na? Right. Now trigonometrical values and trigonometric some direct condition functions are there. That one we will be discussing next video. Okay, thank you.